Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. ये रही मेरी scrambler. It is all filled with muck, dirt, slush, whatnot. I don't know, but it will all get cleaned up today because I'm taking the bike to Triumph for my first service. It is around 42 days. Mind you, don't believe the app for everything. App was showing me that I can service the bike still, I mean, after 42 days. So, like, it was saying that I can have around 82 days, but that is incorrect. You have to get this bike serviced under 45 days or 1000 kilometers, whichever is earlier. So, I booked an appointment from the app for tomorrow, but I'd already spoken to Nikhil from Biu Bhandari Camp Service. He said you can come down and get it done today itself. It will take some time, additional time, but because there are already slots and already vehicles, but we'll get it done. So that's where I'm headed, as Sai Service does not have their own service. So now we'll meet there itself. So I've reached here. It's the parallel road to the East Street Road. It's the Triumph Service Center over here. It belongs to Biu Bhandari. It's a quite big setup, I would say. This is whole office area and lounge area, and there the bikes get serviced. Let me take it to the lounge area. I liked it. I mean, Benelli had a similar launch, so they have a small office down here. You go upstairs to lounge. I mean, you can have a seat over there, and they've put up all their details since the inception of Triumph. Here you have a nice seating area with AC, place for your helmets. Mine is outside, and that is the main service area. My bike is yet to be picked. It's there. That's our bike. So this is our bike. Now while coming from home towards the service center, I found that when I'm braking, I think the cone set is making very slight noise, or somewhere the disc or something has gone loose. I don't suppose disc has gone loose, because very rarely discs or calipers go loose unless they are opened for some work and they are not tightened completely. Whenever they are factory fitted and checked, and if at all they have issue, it will show up in like 25-30 kilometers, but I've already ridden over about 600 kilometers, so it cannot be the disc or the caliper. It has to be the cone set. But let's check the caliper. It's completely tight. Disc, obviously, I had no doubt, and it is also not loose anywhere. So it could be the cone set, which is a known thing. Like after riding it for certain kilometers, whenever it is newly installed, also it goes a bit loose. The bike is first getting washed, or this is the spool which goes inside the axle. ऐसे अंदर, I think this goes from the right side. इधर बड़ा hole है. Okay, and that side is maybe a smaller spool, and this is how it gets mounted. It's getting washed for the first time. Bike लेने के बाद कभी wash नहीं किया था. Bike is all washed and looks nice. First wash after I got it. Some ECU update is happening. Okay. Oh, while the update is happening, we don't have to touch the bike anywhere. क्या मस्त लग रही है यार bike. I'm not allowed to cross that line while the bike is being worked on. So they've topped up the coolant from that side, and one cap has been removed from where they have access to the engine oil filter. So we have an option of two oils. One is the HP oil something, and another one is Castrol Active. I've opted for Castrol Active, which will be put in my bike, which is like 2 liters. That's where the oil filter sits. It's not my bike, it's a Speed, but this is where the oil filter sits. Castrol Power One Ultimate. ओके 10W50 2 liters ऑयल डाल रहे हैं अभी, एंड जो ड्रेन किया दैट वाज 1800 ml, and there are 3 drain areas. One is your engine oil filter area, and there are 2 strainer areas, one for gearbox and one for engine. तो वो दोनों निकाल के उन्होंने क्लीन बिन करके सब करके वापस डाल दिया. कूलेंट टॉप अप करने का भी बहुत ईजी इट्स अ वे. दे फिल द कूलेंट इन अ बॉटल एंड दे आर पुशिंग इट विद अ स्ट्रॉ. वेरी नाइस आइडिया. You can do this at home also. This is the condition of the brake pad. Front brake pad, 600 kilometers, unbelievable. My Dominar uses the same brake pads, same organic, same disc, same caliper, everything is same. It is at 20,000 kilometers and still the Dominar brake pads are perfectly fine, and this has gone in 600 kilometers. They were telling me whether you ride the bike with the front brakes. Now with 45, unless the brake caliper is bad or the master cylinder is bad, which is constantly pushing. A good way of chain lubing, which is from the inner side wedge meets the teeth. That means the caliper, sorry, not the caliper, but the sprocket teeth and chain rings are meeting each other. No, you should always lube from that side inside. And in rains, of course, give it a round from outside so that it doesn't rust. So overall, as soon as I've stepped out of the Triumph service center, the bike does feel absolutely smooth. Unlike before, it feels like a different bike. The level of vibrations have gone down, but this is way too early to give a constructive feedback. So overall feedback for this service, yes, I was and I am very disappointed with the brake pads going off at 600 kilometers. It is not at all possible unless there's some issue with the master cylinder or the brake caliper or the brake pads material itself. Unless they're not made of very good material. I've used organic brake pads for n number of bikes, and not even me, n number of peoples have used it. Not peoples, people have used it, and nowhere they, what the heck, wrong side, and nowhere or no one must have seen any wear and tear at 600 kilometers for a brand new bike. Okay, my brake pads last 40-50,000 kilometers. Now my TRK brake pads 35,000 stock front and rear. Benelli brake pads 600i front and rear stock at 45,000. Dominar UG 21,000 stock brake pads front and rear. Apache brake pad front did wear off, but that we had found a caliper issue in my Apache, of course, in the at SK when we had opened it, and there we had found that the floating caliper is not floating, it is stuck at one place, and that's why one side had completely worn out and the second one had not worn out. Now after that I have been very careful. I have been lubing the caliper very often, and the issue does not, there's no issue of one side wear and tear. Here it is completely different. 600 kilometers completely worn out. Now if the company, what the company guys told me, or what the service advisor told me, that the company has told him that this wear and tear is common these days in the rainy season for the organic brake pads, that they wear out very fast. Now if so, company should not be selling such low quality product at all. Should not be fitting the brake pads which wear out at 600 kilometers in a bike where it is not even reaching the first service. Imagine I was traveling a long distance right now. Nobody travels before the first service, but imagine if it was traveling somewhere outside, and if the brakes wear off, and if the disc is getting hit by the metal of the brake pad material, what would be the outcome of that? They were right now even not ready to take the ownership. They had billed me 672 rupees something. I got it off. I said I don't mind paying, but not at 600 rupees. I'll pay for expensive pads, but first solve the problem. If it is not there, if it doesn't come back after 250-300 kilometers, I'll put in some nice pads again. So even one of the engineers told me, the person who was working, he said, so come back again at 200-300 kilometers, let's inspect it once more. But if the organics are wearing off so early, Triumph India, this is not acceptable at all. And no, I don't ride the bike with the front brake pads on. I very much know that after so much of riding and so many different bikes of riding. Nor I have given the bike to anyone. Nobody has touched it to ride. Nobody. Not even my son. I've got it in my son's name, but even he didn't get a chance to ride except for a small round in my society. But obviously that was also without pressing the brakes. So otherwise washing and all was adequate, good enough, not perfect. Because with the first wash I did see a lot of dirt marks on the right hand side, but being rainy season I don't expect top class washing, because as soon as I get out of the showroom it's going to be bad again, so I'm fine with that. Overall bill was something around 2072 because I opted for the Castrol oil. I'll somewhere post the pic of the bill. And with that said, I'll end the vlog here. Let me know feedback about the brake pads. If you have been using, anyone else has faced any such issue, so do let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in a new one very soon. Like, share, subscribe.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.